Hey friends, here we go. I wanted to make this quick video because people ask me all the time, what does your car look like when you go to a party? Well, friends, you're looking at it. In fact, you can see my computer down here because that's how I'm making this video. Okay, so I have this big bag. Literally, this bag is, my gosh, at least 17 years old. It's insulated. They have different ones now. I have these two smaller bags. This one's lipstick. This one's like lip glosses. And then I have the big color case behind there. But these are my two party bags. And notice how they're little. We have just this little one here. Oops, there we go. And then this one, I'll bring this one out. Okay, so here we have my party bag. Okay, so literally I take this one here and this one here into the hostess's house. I do not take my product bags. I leave those in the car because nobody wants to do a party with the bag lady. Plus, it's just a lot to bring in, right? So I always leave my products in the car and just fill it there. If you don't have product on hand, you could totally use the app, have every guest at your party register on the app and check out on the app and easy ship it right to them. That's one way to do it. But I just want to give a point. This is the newest Mary Kay starter kit bag. And if you are not using this at your parties, like if you have, for example, there's a bigger bag that goes with this one. I just want to encourage you to start using the starter kit bag. And if you're like, Emily, I have way too much stuff, there's no way that would ever happen. Girl, you got to cut back on your stuff. Sometimes if we've been consultants for a while, we become pack rats. So inside, and the reason for that is you want to promote becoming a consultant and joining your team. You want to have the actual bag that you're going to get because it is, in fact, a gorgeous bag. So inside, I have this little guy that holds my foundations. I got this at some vendor at like seminar or whatever. I would say you could use mesh bags too. And then inside, this is a little like fishing tackle thing that holds my applicators. I have two demo palettes. So these are all of the eyeshadows, and then I have one with the cheek colors. So they're just kind of in the side here. And then I have my travel roll-up bag. And I like to put all of my demo product in the travel roll bag. And then, of course, this bag just has some extras, like things I don't demo a lot, like the botanicals or powders. Honestly, pack rat me could probably get rid of this. And then a bag of pens. We've got a little baggie of washcloths and a brush set so I can show off the brushes. I do not demo brushes. Okay, say hi to my husband. Here he comes. He is giving me a look like I'm making a video about how I pack for my parties. Where are you guys going? Oh, he's got a chiropractor appointment. Fabulous. Okay, back to this. Okay, so I don't actually demo brushes because it's just one more thing to do, right? Like who wants to clean their brushes? I use the applicators. Just my opinion. You guys can do whatever, but make sure you have this bag. And you guys, my favorite part of this bag is this little zipper compartment holds all of my catalogs. You see that in there? My catalogs, my set sheets, everything is in this little zipper pocket that you did not even know existed. Now, I do have this baby packed pretty full, but it is necessary. Then in this bag, this little guy here, okay, I'm going to move him over to here. This is kind of fun doing this. I have my money bag, which has my sales tickets. I have my credit card processing thing and a pen. And then inside I have my trays right here. I have my satin hands. I have a little thing that holds like demo lipsticks. I have what's in my bag, which if you don't know what that means, it's how I team build at my parties. And that's everything, you guys. And so it's all in my car. I just bring in these two bags and we rock and roll and we party. So I hope you enjoyed this video from the back of my Cadillac.